Hello friends, so today in this video we are going to see how to install Tuxedo adapter in TIBCO. So let's start our procedure. So before installing Tuxedo adapter we need to pre-install this application. Just double click it. Just click next. Yes, agree the terms. Next. This is the default directory for the BEA home. So just click it next as we are installing this first time. So this is the default Tuxedo 8.1 directory. Just click install. So its installation has started. Just create any password and please do remember it. Just click no. So we have successfully installed our BEA environment for Tuxedo. So now next we have to install the Tuxedo adapter using the universal installer. Let's see now. So this is the ADB plugin which we have available through TIBCO. Just double click it. Here the directory where we have installed BA will be asked for installation. So we have to just place the directory here when it is asked to us. Click next. Yes, I accept the terms and license. For that, just scroll down till end. Become active. Next. Next. Typical install. Make it simple. Let's keep it simple. So it is asking Tuxedo home path. So this is the path which we have for where we have just now installed our BA environment. Just paste the path here. If you want, you can just browse. Here we have Tuxedo 8.1. Open. Cancel. So Tuxedo 8.1 path. Just copy it here. Click next. Click next. Now it's installing our TIBCO SDK. Installing TIBCO Active Matrix adapter for Tuxedo. Just click finish. So you can see the summary here. TIBCO SDK 5.6.2 has successfully been installed, and TIBCO Active Matrix adapter for Tuxedo 6.0.0 has successfully been installed. And this is the respective directories. Just click finish and our installation is done. Thanks for watching. Hope it would have been helpful. Thank you.